booking the hotel.
Oh. What's going on? Oh, it's being processed.
The hotel has to confirm it.
We're going to New York.
Welcome to New York.
It's been waiting for you.
Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York.
We're going to New York.
Woo!
In New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. Who's ready for New York? Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's the night before we leave. I just watched When Harry Met Sally. I turned on Night at the Museum. Have some compression bags for our winter gear. This is how you do it. Okay, ready? We do this. See how big this is? Ta-da! Part of my vlog. Alright, here we are. This is the airport terminal. We're literally so early. And our first meal is Burger King. What's up with us traveling and getting Burger King? Comment down below. I did my makeup. Kieran did his makeup. And we're about to board our flight to New York. Currently in Washington, D.C. Welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. Welcome to Welcome to New York. Wait, we need to sing a different song. How does it go? Start spreading the news. What's up, you guys? Here's my outfit of the day. Landed in New York.
You don't have a mic.
We need to use our little microphones. Here's our room. We're at the Moxie Times Square. Okay.
Woman has something there, and on the show you'll see that I'm also working with her and with Beauty in another capacity. But she's been.
We got a view of scaffolding. Yes! Los tacos.
Flour tortilla.
Okay, first off, Madison Square Garden. Second off, I'm rating the tacos. Number 1, the pork. Number 2, the nopal, cactus. Number 3, the third is tied with the steak and the chicken. Like it didn't really wow me much.
Yeah,
The pork was pretty fire though with the pineapple. Cool guy. Stocks up today.
Yeah.
What is the New York Stock Exchange? Like, what is that?
The platform that sells all the stocks and buys all the stuff. Well, they're one of the platforms.
Spider-Man come out. Green Street. The Daydream Matcha. Yeah. Brooklyn Bridge. Yeah.
Hey, what's up guys? We just walked all of the Brooklyn Bridge and now we're at Dumbo in Brooklyn at this little photo op spot.
So gorgeous.
Very picturesque. It has buildings sandwiching the Brooklyn Bridge, and in the middle of the Brooklyn Bridge you can see the Empire State Building. Very, very awesome.
And what bridge is this? Manhattan.
You know, now that I'm looking at that, I don't think that's the Empire State Building because it's not tall enough to be the Empire
I don't
State
know
Building.
what it is, bro. We'll put in the right
Maybe.
info soon.
Yeah.
Don't be a Dumbo, Dumbo. This is the past lives carousel. Insert photo here. They're sitting right there. Oh my goodness. Look at that view. Hey, get it. Hey, get it. Hey, hey. Wow, look at that. What? Back at the hotel. We had a little siesta. We're now changed, kind of, for dinner. Fusion, which is a Korean and Asian fusion cuisine. And we got a dinner for two, so there's
Are you saying it's I'm sending it.
multiple courses, kind of. So here's our first dish, which is kimchi okra. And get some tomato and radish up in there.
The issue is now, every time I look stuff over here, I'm like, I will never
Got beef. I've got beef between my teeth. It would be us if we had floss. I actually do have beef stuck in my teeth.
Maybe thank Dadio's teeth.
He has touched you today because I tell you the truth. Jesus Christ is truly coming back.
Yeah. Okay. Raining, it's pouring. Day 2 in the Big Apple. Just had Apollo bagels and it was delicious. Campbell's chicken noodle possibility. Look at all these people. I can't even see it. We are in West Village. I've been kind of slacking on vlogging, but y'all know what it is. Just living in the present. And look, Stonewall Monument. Okay, this is really bad clip, sorry. Thoughts?
I think that is the pig.
Okay, is it good?
Very freaking good.
Pizza taste test. What is this?
This is the red with the stuff on it.
Ministry. Pretty good. I did try the fig earlier. Here it is again. Bacon, bacon and stuff. Very good. My back hurts so bad, you guys. It's actually hell. We are on our way to an off-Broadway show. Little Shop of Horrors. We didn't have time to do a fit check, but we can show you another later, I guess, if I remember. He's got a cool tie on. I thrifted it. See you later. Guys, we're about to go watch Little Shop of Horrors. I'm so excited. Wow! Look at the theater. We're here. This is so awesome. What did we get to drink? I got a beer. And Kieran got the Coke.
Thank you so much. Kind of like the cold tonight. It's nice for now. I love your tie.
Thank you. My girlfriend picked it out.
Say what?
My girlfriend picked it out.
Did you wear it for the show or is it?
Yeah, we-
Well, hopefully it doesn't do much money, but I.
Yeah, it was great. Thank you.
Freaking awesome.
Guys, guys, we just stopped to Josh. Because we just stopped to Josh from Maxine.
Nice. You're sick. Pretty sick.
He said he likes your tie.
I know. I had to give credit. Sorry, I kind of froze that.
I was like, hi, I'm Janelle. It's like, great to meet you. I think I got some of it on camera. I didn't get the whole thing. Because I was like, wait, I need to be in a moment because he's talking to me. And I'm like, oh my god, whoa. Look me in the eyes. Tell me I'm not lying. Okay, bye. Boop. We're in a Pubbington. Yeah, Pubbington. And it's vibes. Ooh, it's dog time. We're at Super Nice Coffee and Bakery. We got a couple pastries. I got the passion fruit donut. Kieran got a glaze and then a chocolate croissant as well.
Croissant.
And we're waiting for our drinkies. Excited. We got our passion
Holy.
fruit donut.
That looks really good.
Excited.
Delicious.
That's fire. Very passion fruit.
Oh,
It's delightful.
that's fun.
Glazed.
I like it.
That's yummy.
Chocolate croissant. Look at that cross section.
Section.
I didn't get the chocolate. Dang it. Look, it's in the middle.
Oh. I didn't get chocolate.
Get chocolate. Flaky, buttery crust.
Pretty. Well, it's kind of dead around here, but. We're in Central Park.
At the Great Lawn.
We're at the Great Lawn and it's quite great. Big whale. It's time to monkey around. Holy crap. Philippines. Oh yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. Grand Central.
Hello, guys. Today we are at the Rockefeller Plaza, just sitting down on the benches in the plaza and watching people ice skate and people watching. It's quite a beautiful night with the lights sparkling and the flags blowing in the wind. As we pan up to the seventh floor, we can see the eighth floor. We can see the specific floor of the Rockefeller Center. SNL films every night. Unfortunately,
Not every night, every Saturday.
every Saturday night at 12 Eastern. Unfortunately, it is Saturday, but they're not filming today. But we film a show of our own. We're gonna break into the eighth floor of the Rockefeller Center and send out one broadcast to the entire United States of America with special guests Dochi, Sabrina Carpenter, and Nicki.
We're live Saturday night, and we are live at the Rockefeller Center. We did meet Jimmy Fallon, Seth Meyers, and Veronica Slowikowska. My back hurts like a motherfucker. Bye.
Hey, what is up, guys? Today we're coming to you live from the Rockefeller Plaza, and we're having ourselves an amazing time. And it's an absolutely beautiful, fantastic night. I hope you're all having fun out there, because we sure are.
So guys, our flights got canceled, and for the past hour and a half we've been exploring our options for a new flight and departure. Basically, we need to extend our stay for 2 days because there's a massive blizzard coming tomorrow, as you can see from the window, and it's just getting thicker, to be honest. Hella salmon. And we're about to leave the 9/11 Museum. There's a travel ban that has been put down by Mr. Mayor Mondani, and we're gonna go. I know. We're at the World Trade Center right now.
Look at the tree.
I know. It's really starting to calm down, you guys. I'm getting nervous, but it's okay. We'll be safe. I'm getting a little nervous, but what we're gonna do? Look at his glasses. Wait, do we go down? No. Basically, we're going to 7-Eleven, get some water and food, and call it a day. Hang out at our cool hotel. So, we just got lots of liquids to drink while we're here. We walked to this ramen spot that's literally like 5 steps away from our hotel, which thank goodness. Yeah, across the street. We got some spicy ramen, look at the snow falling, it's so vibes. And the best of all, we got some AI art. Some AI art right in front of us. Just to add the cherry on top.
What's up, you guys? We're here in New York City. So, pretty much, we're getting snowed in. So we're gonna go buy some wine and we're gonna party in the hotel room. See you later.
Look at the cars.
Look at that Tesla. What's up, guys? We're snowed in officially. We got an emergency alert on our phones, and starting 9 p.m. all travel's banned except for emergency vehicles. We're here in the hotel until 12 p.m. tomorrow. Trying to watch something on Netflix. Nothing's really
This
loading.
remote's broken.
Stopped by 7-Eleven and the liquor store, you know, for the essentials. We don't know what we're gonna watch, and also look at how messed up this remote is. He has to work so hard. We're now New Yorkers. We extended our stay. We're supposed to leave Monday morning, but not allowed. Blizzard's too strong. We are now leaving Wednesday morning. Fingers crossed. Extended our stay here, and we're gonna stay at another hotel Tuesday night. How do you feel about it?
Hey, we gotta make do.
We gotta make do with what we have and whatever. Hey, dang it, no, like we can't go to work. Oh my gosh. There's the snow. Oh yeah. First meal in the store, in the Blizzard, the Great Blizzard 2026. Kieran has a really sore throat. We got him a hot tea from the Little Cafe. And we have a ham baguette, ham and cheese baguette that we have. It's quite big, which is good. And we have a $20 credit, so we were able to kind of get that for free. So, let's try it. Cheers.
Tastes like a hotel baguette.
Freaking hard as a rock, but yum. It's not snowing currently. Gotta meet up with Georgia. Okay guys, we got Molly tea.
Molly tea. I got a snowy jasmine with crystal balls and matcha cheese.
Yum. Try it. Is it good?
How's the accommodation?
This is very strong matcha.
Oh wow. You like strong matcha. This is a snowy jasmine tea with nothing else.
Just the drink itself. What do you think? Oh my god.
the, what is this? Matcha white champaka salted cheese with, I think I got sago with it. Whoa.
How is that? What goes through your mind when you think that?
Delicious. Matcha with matcha. That's good. That is very matcha.
It's so much.
Mine has sago, so I'm eating the tapioca pearl.
I have the crystal balls in here.
Okay, what would you rate yours?
Out
Out of 10.
Do you want to try with the balls?
Have one ball.
Yeah, you can have so many balls.
Whoa.
Guys,
Stop pointing it.
we are leaving the Moxie for our last night because it's hella expensive for no reason. Any last words?
Off we go.
We're at the Pod Hotel, or Pod's Times Square.
What?
Pod Times Square. It's basically the same layout as our other hotel. Maybe a teeny bit smaller, but we actually have a nice view this time. What? Awesome.
No, slow.
Boy, director.
Start spreading the news.
What's next? We made it to Sacramento, guys.